tiptoe, tiptoe. To walk quietly on your toes. She tiptoed into the room. March, march. To walk with firm, regular steps. He marched into the office angrily. Wander, wander. To walk around without a clear direction. We are wandering around the market. Stride, stride. To walk confidently with long steps. She strode into the hall. Stagger, stagger. To walk unsteadily as if about to fall. He started staggering after the hit. Crawl, crawl. To move on hands and knees. The baby is crawling on the floor. Bend, bend. To move part of your body so it is no longer straight. She bent down to pick up the wallet. Crouch, crouch. To lower your body close to the ground by bending your knees. He crouched behind the wall. Drag, drag. To pull something with effort. He is dragging the suitcase. Haul, haul. To pull or carry something heavy with great effort or difficulty. He hauled the net out of the water. Lift, lift. To raise something upward. Please lift the box carefully. Lower, lower. To move something downward. She lowered her head in shame. Fling, fling. To throw something suddenly with force. He flung the ball across the field. Hurl, hurl. To throw something with great force. He hurled the stone away. Tap, tap. To touch lightly and quickly. He tapped her shoulder. Swipe, swipe. To move your finger, hand, or a card quickly across a surface, especially a screen or card reader. Swipe the screen to unlock the phone. Please swipe your card at the counter. Scratch, scratch. To rub or mark a surface with nails or something sharp. Don't scratch the table with the knife. He scratched his head while thinking. Rub, rub. To move your hand back and forth over something repeatedly. He rubbed his hands in excitement. Stop rubbing your eyes. Wave, wave. To move your hand back and forth as a greeting or signal. She waved goodbye. He waved at his friend. Nod, nod. To move your head up and down. He nodded in agreement. She nodded to say yes. Shake, shake. To move something back and forth quickly. Don't shake your head like that. Shake the bottle well. Stretch, stretch. To extend your body or a part of it. Stretch your arms and legs after waking up.